Let's start with the most invisible financial mistake. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a structure problem. Money flows into their account and flows right back out. Not because they're reckless, not because they're irresponsible, but because there is no system controlling it. They rely on memory, on motivation, on trying to be better next month. And that never works long term. A financial system is not complicated. It's clarity. Knowing how much you earn, knowing how much you spend, knowing where your money goes before the month begins. Without structure, money becomes reactive. You respond to expenses instead of directing your income. And over years, this creates financial stagnation. The truth is, freedom doesn't come from earning more. It comes from controlling what you already earn. If you don't assign your money a purpose, it will always find random purposes for itself.